Good morning, student. So, in our last classes, we have studied chapter 2, Planet Earth, and we have discussed all the topics that was given in the chapter. And we have already done its question answers. So now today we are getting together to solve the book exercise. In that series, we are going to start HOTS. Okay, so in our HOTS, the first question is, in earlier times, why were people scared of traveling to a far off distance? Right? Did you remember that we have seen that people believe the earth is flat like a coin, and if they will travel, they will fallen down. So that only will be the reason for that question. So how we will frame the answer? We will frame the answer that the question is asking why the people scared of. So we will frame it was so because earlier times means the time much before. Earlier times people believed that earth is flat like a coin. If they would travel to a distance, they might reach the end of the earth and might fall off. Remember the concept we have studied? Yes. So that is only our answer. Is it clear for everyone? What is our answer? That if people will travel to a long distance, they will reach at the end and they will fallen down. So that was their belief, and because of that belief they were scared of. So this is how we have framed the answer. Done. Now the second question is, of which continent is India a part? Of which continent is India a part? So as I told you that there are 7 continents, and in among those 7 continents, Asia is the largest one and India is a part of it. So we will frame the answer, of which continent is India a part. So we will start our answer from here. India is a part of, and then the name of the continent, Asia. Understood? So what will be our answer? India is a part of Asia. Clear? Now, after doing HOTS, let's move to fill-ups. Right? In this fill-ups, most of the answer you may know very well. So, let's see the first one. The layer of air that surrounds Earth is called. Did you remember? We have seen that Earth is surrounded by a layer. Remember? Yes. So that is only our answer. That layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Okay? Spelling of atmosphere, A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E. Done? Now the second one is, the first person who proved that earth is round was, who was he? He was Ferdinand Magellan. Who was he? He was Ferdinand Magellan, who proved that earth is like a ball. And how did he prove that? Remember that he started his journey from Spain, and after 3 years he reaches back. So this is how he proved. Yes. Now let's move to the third one. And he started his journey with his ship. Yeah, so that is our only the next question. That the name of Magellan's ship was, the ship name was Victoria. Okay, what was the name of the ship? Victoria. Then the next one is, a huge landmass is called a continent. Yes, we have learnt two huge masses. One was huge land masses, continent, and huge water bodies are oceans. Very good. So now let's move to the next one. Now as I told, huge water bodies are oceans, right? And the next question is the largest ocean on the earth. So which is the largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on the earth. And did you remember which one is the smallest? Arctic. Which one is the smallest? Arctic. Now, after completing fill-ups, let's do our crossword. This crossword you need not to write in notebook. This is only to understand how to fill a crossword, right? So only you need to understand and listen it carefully. Need not to write it. Okay? So, how we will start? You will get your crossword with the numbers, right? And then you will find the clues written at the bottom. Across means horizontal lines, and then down means this top to bottom, right? So let's do the across one first, right? So in across, number 3 is written largest ocean. So find out number 3 in your crossword, right? Can you see that number 3? Yes, this is your number 3. And here it is asking largest ocean. What is our clue? Largest ocean. So in largest ocean, which one is the largest ocean? Pacific. Just we have done in our fill-ups. So we will write Pacific. Every single letter will be filled in the single box. So we will write the spelling of Pacific. The boxes will be completed. Now the next one is huge landmass is called. Now huge land masses is called. That is also we have done in our fill-ups. So this one is our number 6. So where is our number 6? This one. Right. So here we will fill huge landmass means continent. So we will fill the spelling of continent. And again we will follow the same rule. One letter in one box. So we have filled continent. Right. Then in the 7th one, the next 7th is the place where sea and land meet. The place where sea and land meet. This is our number 7. So 7 number is this. Land and sea meet at the coast. So we have filled the coast. Is it clear to you how to fill? You only need to read these clues, whether they are across or down, and by reading the clue, get the answer and then fill that answer in these particular numbers. And the rule is one letter will be filled in the one box, right? So these all are here. Okay, so you read in your book and then try to solve it off. Done. So that is all from my side. That today our work we have done a book exercise. In that we have done HOTS, then we have done fill-ups, then this crossword, right? So now your work is to write HOTS and fill-ups in your notebook. I am repeating, need not to write crossword in your notebook. Complete your work and send it. Done. So bye bye from my side. Have a good day.